Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Viewers, today in this video we had a job opportunity from Wipro company. Work location is Hyderabad. So let's get started. Before going into a main content, I have a small request to the viewers. Those who are visiting channel for the first time, viewers, our channel provides all latest job updates time to time. So please do subscribe channel. So company Wipro, designation production specialist, work location Hyderabad, category DOP. Job description includes carry out detailed assessment of documents that are previously reviewed, access if reviewer followed business and compliance requirements as per SOP, identify the gap and structure feedback, like as limited exposure with clients or Wipro management, moderate level instruction on daily work task, detailed instructions on new assignments would be provided. So this is very important point. They'll give minimal instruction on daily work. When it comes to a new assignment, they'll give detailed instruction. Decision impact own work and may impact work of others. Individual contributor as a part of a team with focused scope of work. Great attention to detail and results driven approach. Provide clear and crisp understanding of error made by the reviewer. And when it comes to requirement viewers, they are looking freshers and as well as 6 months experience in quality review process. Even freshers can apply with good communication skills, and experienced candidate, it will be an added advantage. Good working knowledge of computer, that is MS Office, Google Sheets will be added advantage, but not compulsory. If you have knowledge regarding MS Office, you are eligible for this position. Good client management skills with eye for detail, proactively identifying gap in process and flag into internal leadership and client as appropriate. Good interpersonal people management skill with good problem solving approach. Ability to work well under pressure. This is very important point. Okay. Ability to exercise managerial judgment and perform as a mentor. Ability to multitask multiple activities by effectively delegation and monitoring. Excellent communication skills, both written and verbal in English. Client oriented, flexible, patient. Good organization skills for experienced candidates. And when it comes to for experienced candidate viewers, obviously excellent communication skills, good client management skills with eye for detailing, proactively identifying the gap in process and flag in internal leaderships and client appropriate. And candidate need to possess excellent analytical interpersonal skills, number crunching, reporting to internal and external customers. Strong presentation skills, ability to exercise managerial judgment. Candidate need to be flexible enough. We had rotational shifts, 24/7 environment, including Saturdays and Sunday working. Even again they mentioned regarding responsibilities viewers. Once candidate selected, carry out detailed assessment of documents that are previously reviewed, and as well as SOPs, provide clear and crisp understanding of errors made by reviewer. So interested candidates can apply for this position viewers. If you done your graduation in any stream, you are eligible for this position. BE, BTech candidates like engineering students, it will be an added advantage, but not compulsory. Graduates are eligible for this position. You by clicking apply button here, it will redirect it to the place where you can apply for this particular job. So obviously it was asking enter your email ID. So by entering email ID, I need to accept terms and conditions, and I'm a new user. First I need to create account in Wipro. So I'll provide direct application link in the description. Through link you can apply for this particular position. Thank you viewers. Hope this video is useful for you. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much. And please do subscribe channel and hit the bell icon to receive all latest job notifications time to time.